So today I'm gonna unbox my first Adoorbs. It looks like this. My friend recently got me into this. This is my first one. This is from Adoorbs. If you haven't collected Adoorbs in the past or now, like it's like the little characters that have really, really big eyes. And they're from like different series, cartoons and movies. And they have different collections. And this is the reason why the dolls have these really big doll eyes. It's really cute to me, and the name suits them very well. So I'm excited to open this. Let's see what I got. I'm going to do a detailed unboxing with this. If you want a shortened and a fast version, I'll post my TikTok name and you could see it there. But here we go. The cool thing about these Adoorbs is if you look on the bottom of the box, it has this little icon. It's like a cheat sheet. So instead of like some people will go into the aisles and rip open the box to see what character it has. I'm side-eyeing you if you do that, by the way. But you don't have to do that with these, and hopefully you're not, but these little icons will tell you who you have. And I'll try to find the little cheat sheet and I'll post it in this video. But this tells me, which let me look because I can barely see it on camera. So this is going to be, well, actually, we'll find out together. I don't want to spoil it. So on this little card, it says there is 10 surprises. And these are all the characters, which is really cute. I'm going to go with the first box, which is this one right here. This is super cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open this one up first. Okay, so this is what I got. So this looks like a little like keychain. It has this little lanyard that says, let me see if I can zoom up. Adoorbs fan club member. How cute. Here is the little VIP club card. Very cute. Here is door number 2. Here is the boots. It's Buzz Lightyear. How very cute. If you hear my dog in the background, I'm sorry. He likes to take a lot of naps. But this is what it looks like. I love it so much. On to door number 3. Okay, here we go. We get a little adorable, which is Buzz. Next we got door 4, and it says on the box to like go in order. So let's see what we have here. So this is a backpack of Buzz Lightyear. This is so cute. Reminds me of the Disney lounge flights. Very, very cute. Let me zoom in on this face. There you go. Okay, so we reached door number 5. I'm just gonna open this right quick and show you what it is, and it's most likely the doll. Actually, no, I was wrong. This is so cute. Okay, so this is all the characters you can get. And this is what I was talking about, the little cheat sheet that you can check on the bottom of the box. So, and then this has something else. Okay, I really love this. It's like a little backdrop for the doll. So cute. Okay, so we finally reached door number 6. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so here is what the doll looks like. I'm gonna take her out the box so we can take a closer look at her. Okay, so she has like little charms in her ears, very cute, or not in her ears, I'm sorry, her hair. And then she also comes with this stand. So with these 4 pieces, because this comes separately, that's like a total of 10, because I didn't see anything else in the box. But this is very cute. I love her. Okay, let me put her together and I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, so here's what she looks like assembled. Very cute. You know what she reminds me of? She reminds me of Gulia, with the, what's it called? Deadfast cosplay that she did. Very cute, and it's mostly because of this lanyard right here. I'll show you in a minute what I mean, but very, very cute. Here's his stand, and this becomes a keychain with adorable that you get. I'm just gonna turn her around so you can see her hair pieces, and then her little tinsel hair pieces, and then very cute backpack for her. Okay, so like I said, this is very cute. I really recommend this to anybody that's interested in the Adorables. I think she's very cute, and I can't wait to get more. I actually have one more to unbox, but I'll do that in a separate video. But like I said, she's really cute, and these actually retail for $14.98, I think, like basically $15, so they're not too bad. Very cute. I'm gonna pose her next to Gulia. Give me 1 second.